Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add color underline in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first open your Excel document file. Firstly then I show the Excel document is add color underline. Firstly going to the insert menu option. Now click for the shape option, then click for the line shape option, then create a line shape. Now going to the shape outline option. Now click for the then choose color, then again outline option, click for the white option. There, then show the add color underline, then color underline, then change the color. Now click for the shape outline, then choose color. That's okay. Then we show the add color underline in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.